Hello, my realists, and welcome to Vishaun for Real. All right, so today I'm testing out a makeup. Now, I'm sure some of you have seen advertisements for MAKIAGE on Instagram, and you see all these girls or some guys, and they put on the makeup, and it's like it blends with their skin perfectly. So I took it upon myself to test it out. I received it in the mail. So I did the test, I did the quiz, I answered all the questions. I'll show you how it looks and what you have to do. And I will be testing it out here with you live. One take. So stay tuned. All right, so let's get right into it. So I decided to purchase the Poreless, the no filter, Poreless Smoothing Primer. So I want to make sure that I have my base. Never apply makeup without your primer. I hope you can see this clearly. I'm doing this for the first time, guys. I'm like all those makeup people. Woo. And my makeup color, here's the makeup, here's what it looks like. This one is the 195. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. So I will be applying this, so stick with me. All right, so I'm going to apply the primer on my face. Alright, so I'll let it sit for a bit. Okay, now so I'm going to apply the makeup. Let's see. Hold on. It's not blending. Hold on. Hold on. It's not initial blend. Hold on. Actually, oh, hold on. Wait a minute now. We're on to something. Guys, as much as it doesn't look like it initially, hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let me blend this out. Hold on. Hey guys, I love it. It actually looks very natural looking. Hold on. Okay, I am loving it. What do you guys think? I think it was, okay, so truth. Now, initially, you know, when people put it on, I guess maybe they put on a less and then they wipe it and then it starts to blend. But I am loving it. It looks very natural. I really love this. Okay, don't judge my eyebrows or anything, okay? I don't need anyone judging me. But I am loving how this blends in. Look at that. I think... Look at that. I think it's a natural good look. Guys, I recommend this. I really love it. Look how smooth that is. I'm definitely purchasing more. I love this. Look at it. Okay. I need for y'all to put in the comment section what you think. I'm going to finish my makeup and then show you the finished product with this as the base. But overall, I'm definitely buying this again. I think it was, what, $50? I'll show you what the price was. But it's worth it because it gives you more of a natural look. It's very, very nice. And if you're just like, let me, I'm just going to rush out. If you just want to, touch up a little bit, sometimes you may not feel like putting on a whole bunch of makeup, like a whole production. This to me is very good. You can literally just put this on quickly and go, and you still look natural. You're still beautiful. Nobody has to know that you have on all that makeup on, and you're ready to go out on the town. No, this is really good. So tell me what you think. I need for you to let me know what your opinion is of the look, like just this look, in the comment section. And if there are any other makeup companies or like any other foundations that you would like me to critique. But I'm impressed. So I really do believe in the Il Makiage. Just purchase it because the way this looks, it's very natural and very good. All right, so here is the finished product. I am in love with this makeup. I'm definitely purchasing this again. Guys, it is lightweight. I don't even feel like I'm wearing makeup. And usually I get, especially during this time where you're not really wearing makeup that much, and you put it on and you can feel the weight of the makeup. I actually do not. I can't even tell that I'm wearing makeup. The only thing I can feel is that I'm wearing lipstick, and that is it. And that has nothing to do with Il Makiage. So if you see Il Makiage advertised on Instagram or Facebook or whatever banner you may be browsing the internet, just know that it is not fake. It is the real deal. I recommend this makeup. I highly recommend this makeup. I'm definitely purchasing this makeup again and again. As long as they don't change the formula, I am going to be purchasing this item again. Now, if there are any other makeups that you want me to try, it doesn't have to be foundation or a powder, whatever. It could be a lipstick, it could be an eyeliner, eyeshadow, whatever it may be. Put it in the comment section. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so you can be a part of the notification crew. All right? So continue to support and continue to watch more content coming. So stay tuned.